Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a sit down talking video with you just to update you about what has been happening and what plans do I have for the end of this year, and just kind of reflect on this year and yeah, just have a chat with you about what is happening. And I want to talk about some goals that I had for this year and some new ones that I'm going to set up for myself for next year as well. I want to tell you about what has been happening with PTE training, and to tell you more about the teaching that I do now and some other things. So if you want to hear about it, then keep watching. So we are in the end of November, and I really think that this is the most beautiful time of the year where everyone is just more happy, looking forward to Christmas and New Year, and just spending more time with family and friends. And I think it's also a good time to kind of look back and evaluate your year and your goals and just reflect on that. So I've been trying to do that as well. So for 2018, my biggest goal was to focus on my health and fitness, because in the previous few years I wasn't really exercising regularly or paying a lot of attention to my diet. So and I don't really think that you have to wait until like the 1st of January to really start something. I think that the best way to start is now, today, but a year is a good timeline to kind of evaluate your goals and to look back and to just see what you have achieved in a year time. And that's what I have been doing. So I really started to become serious about my fitness and health last year around November, so around a year ago, and I started working out regularly. So I was going to the gym and doing weight training. I was doing it 6 or 5 days per week, and I had a body scan this year in January. And now I just had one recently, and I was really happy with the results. And just in a nutshell, my muscle mass in January was 19.8 kilograms, and I just did it now, and I was really surprised to see that now it is 42.5 kilograms of muscle in my body. So I more than doubled it. And but the most important for me is that I'm feeling healthier, and I'm just really enjoying working out. And I think it's really important to find the right kind of training for you. Like, I really enjoy going to the gym, lifting weights, but it's not for everyone. So it's important to find something that works for you. But anyway, just wanted to share with you that I was able to stick with my goal that I had in the beginning of this year, and I was really good throughout the whole year. And now I'm able to enjoy the results that I have. And I've been thinking about the goals for the next year. And I think that now, of course, I'm gonna keep with my fitness journey. Now it has become a habit to me, and I just wake up most of mornings and I just want to go to the gym, and that's what I do. So it has become a lifestyle, and I think that's the hardest is in the beginning. But once you get into that kind of new routine, like whatever goals you are working on, when you really get used to doing it daily, then after a while it just becomes so easy, it just becomes a part of your life. So that's why I think it's very important to set good goals for yourself and just form a better habits that, you know, will lead you to a happier, more successful and healthier you. So please share in the comments if you also had some goals for this year, and what were your goals and how did you go with achieving them. So for the next year, I'm thinking that I want to focus on improving my skills in a few different areas, just, you know, building new skills. So I've been interested in photography, so I'm doing a course and I'm practicing more. So that's something that I want to work on and become really good at. And basically I've been taking photos mostly of food. So if some of you already know, I have an Instagram that is called Food Brings Me Joy, where I upload all of my food photos. So if you are a foodie as well, then you can follow me there. I'm gonna leave the name in the description box. And also I'm doing a course in the web development, because it's also like what I'm generally interested in is marketing, and I already did the course in social media, so I just want to become better in all the things that that I related to online marketing, you know, like website design and development, social media, content creation, and all that kind of thing. Although at the moment, as you know, I'm working in accounting, but maybe I'm gonna do a career change next year. But for that I need to become better at some areas, so that's what I'm gonna focus on next year. And for the courses that I'm doing, I'm using the company, it's called Show Academy, and I'm really impressed with the quality of their courses. I'm doing a photography course there, so I'm gonna leave you a name as well if you want to check it out. It's not for free, you have to pay for it, but education, usually if it's a good quality, it's never for free, but to me it's something that I don't mind investing in, because I think we are our best investment, and what we invest in ourselves, you know, like if it's a gym membership, vitamins, supplements, or, you know, knowledge, books, courses, ebooks, I think it's all that we will have always, and it will help us to improve ourselves. So to me it's a very important part of my life. And the next thing that I want to talk about is about teaching. So some of you may know that this year I started also teaching at one of the English schools in the city in Sydney. So I'm still teaching private clients, but I also started teaching in class, which was a new experience for me, and I really enjoy it. I'm always trying to improve my programs, and it's just really nice to get a positive feedback and to see people achieving results and passing their tests and getting the score that they need, because people usually need that to be able to move on with their dreams, whether that is to migrate to another country or start a course that they want. So yeah, that has been making me very happy. And also I will keep uploading videos on my channel about PTE. Those who are watching my channel for some PTE tips, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my new videos with some tips. And so December is about to start, and a lot of people are doing Vlogmas. I'm definitely not gonna do it daily, because my everyday life is not so exciting, as my days are pretty much the same, especially during a week when I just go to the gym and work and, you know, just have my meals, and pretty much that's it. And I don't really have that many plans for the December yet, but of course I will try to get out more and meet my friends, and there will be events happening in Sydney, so maybe I'm gonna do like a weekly vlog for Vlogmas. So let me know if you would be interested to see that in the comments below. Let me know if you would want me to do some Vlogmas. And I also got few event calendars for myself, because I think that December is such a beautiful time, and it's just nice to wake up every morning and open a new day and find a little chocolate or a little gift. So I had some calendars last year and I really liked it, so this year I also purchased two. So this one is just for the with the chocolates, and I love this brand Kinder, but there are so many different ones with chocolates, of course, but this one was my choice. And another one that I got for myself is a Kiehl's events calendar. Kiehl's, it's a brand for skincare, face care and body and that kind of thing. And I had the calendar last year, and I would say it's one of the more affordable when it comes to those brands for skincare, and it was really good. I really liked what they had inside last year, and I think this year is pretty much the same products. They are either, some of them are full size, but lots of them are like little packages that you can test out some products, and then if you really like something, then you can purchase the full version of it. But I just got it because it just makes me happy to wake up in December and while I'm waiting for Christmas, just to find a little something in the morning. That's what I wanted to talk to you about today, and please don't forget to leave a comment about if you would like to see Vlogmas and about the goals that you had for this year or for the next year. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Have a good day, guys, and I hope that you have amazing time waiting for Christmas and during your holiday.